Ever get tired of working for a living?
Every damn day. But I've got a nasty addiction called money, so I do what I do.
I'm currently earning around 15% stake in one particular project using this atomic wallet. This is just going to be a quick video on passive income and self-custody. I try to limit my exposure to some of these exchanges as much as possible. There's already a lot of volatility in the market. You never know what's going to happen next. Whatever wallet I choose to use, I make sure that I write down the seed phrase in multiple places. If that seed phrase gets lost, I will not have access to my wallet at all. You can download this particular wallet on several locations: Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android. There's plenty of places where you can actually download this. I'm always looking for additional ways to earn extra yield on my assets. And one of the safest ways to do that is by self-custodying. This is one of the ways, this is one of the wallets. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. Here's a quick overview of what projects you can actually stake using this atomic wallet. So you're not exposing yourself to any exchanges because all of this is self-custodying. The atomic wallet is just one of the ways I stake and earn passive income by getting these rewards. One particular thing I did notice about the app on my phone is that it can be slow quite often, and you actually have to refresh it quite a few times after sending your assets from the exchange to the wallet. The assets never leave your wallet unless you send them yourself or give away your seed phrase. I have full control 100% of the time. Giving away your seed phrase is like giving someone your safe combination. And that safe is located anywhere and everywhere that a computer can be accessed. So never give your seed phrases to anyone under any circumstances. Not financial advice. That one particular project we're getting 15% is Zilliqa. Now currently I'm staking over 171,000 ZIL on two different wallets. And the atomic wallet is one of them. You see ZIL current price is just under 3 cents. This market is like a roller coaster as usual. But ZIL all-time high was a quarter. So you can do the research on that, add up the numbers. It's all passive income. You're buying it on exchange. You're moving it to your own wallet. You're staking it. You're done. That's it.